All right, we're back for another setting up my apartment or designing my living room. And I had to get the coffee table, but not just any coffee table. It got to be like, real techish, real 2024. So I gotta have it joined with the LED lights and the nice looking everything else. So let's put that together. And I will say, if you don't have some power tools, definitely invest in some power tools. I don't know why I did this by hand, but you're gonna see in my next video why I had to stop that. But I did achieve putting this all together by, manual hand screwdriver, so it is possible. Shout out to those people who like to read instructions, because I definitely had to refer to the instructions quite a couple times. This whole thing probably took me like 3.5 hours to put together by myself. Like it was ridiculous. I just couldn't sleep one night. I'm just like, why not do this? We might as well, do something productive instead of sleep. So shout out to time lapse, great iPhone feature putting this thing together here. And you start basically, I think, from the top bottom and you flip it over. So got this on Amazon. Let me check what the price was. It was a 47-inch high glossy LED coffee table with wireless charging and a speaker. It got 2 sliding drawers, double layer center tables with LED light, marble coffee table for living room, and this is the white version. Got it on Amazon while it was on sale for $250. It looks like it's on $280 right now, so a little slight bump up, but it's still a good price for what you're getting. Like, I really love this thing. The quality is good. The reviews are up there. It is coming from China, so it's going to take a little while, but FedEx delivered it. All right, as we can see, we are getting close to that finish line, Putting that bad boy together right in the middle of my little new rug carpet. I think when I get to my couch, when y'all see the couch, it's gonna look a lot better. Yeah, maybe see my little vision I'm trying to put together. All right, screwing in them screws. And here we are, we done. Gotta do the walk around like you just got a new car. Make sure you didn't forget nothing. No screws out of place, nothing like that. And let's plug it in and see what this thing is like. Soon as you do that, the lights come on automatically. And I believe the speakers do as well. So you got a Bluetooth speaker that's right inside. Got the transmitter. I haven't tried it out to see the quality yet, but I guess if you want to connect to your table, you can do that. You can change the color of the LED lights by the hands-on, I guess, control. I don't even know what you want to call it, but by a touch, you can control the lights. It got the wireless charging right there for you too. And let's get up close with it. So nice and shiny, reflective for my marble lovers. I don't know if this is real marble or not. I don't know nothing about that, but it said marble in the title, so that's what we're going with. High gloss marble surface. Got the drawers right there, easy slide out, slide in. Got 2